Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a budget-friendly yet surprisingly powerful machine, the STGAubron gaming PC computer desktop, featuring an Intel Core i7, Radeon RX 588GB, 16GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Desktop computer emoji, design and aesthetic. First impressions? This thing looks sharp. The case features 6 RGB fans, which not only keep the internals cool but also create a vibrant and colorful gaming ambience. The transparent side panel adds a premium touch, and it comes bundled with an RGB Bluetooth soundbar, elevating your audio setup right out of the box. Gear emoji, performance highlights. Let's break down what's under the hood. Intel Core i7, up to 3.9 GHz, while not the newest generation, it's a rock-solid performer for daily tasks, light content creation, and moderate gaming. Radeon RX 588GB, this classic GPU still holds its ground in 1080p gaming. Expect smooth performance in popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, GTA 5, League of Legends, and even Call of Duty, Warzone on medium-high settings. 16GB RAM, more than enough for gaming, streaming, and multitasking without slowdowns. 1TB SSD, a big win for storage and speed. Your system boots fast, games load quickly, and you have plenty of room for files and media. Antenna with bars emoji, connectivity and add-ons. 600M Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 ensure reliable wireless performance for gaming, streaming, and peripherals. Multiple USB ports, HDMI support, and audio jacks make connectivity easy and flexible. The included RGB Bluetooth soundbar is a nice surprise, delivering punchy sound and keeping your desk setup looking sleek. Joystick emoji, gaming experience. This PC handles 1080p gaming like a champ. During testing, Apex Legends, Overwatch 2, and Minecraft RTX ran well at medium to high settings. The RX 588GB VRAM still holds strong in 2025 for most casual and mid-range gamers. Lightbulb emoji, final thoughts. If you're just getting into gaming or need a powerful all-in-one desktop for work and play, the STGAubron gaming PC is a fantastic option. You get strong specs, a stylish design, and even extras like RGB lighting and a soundbar, all without breaking the bank. Link symbol emoji. Check out the link below for the latest price and deals, and remember to use my affiliate link to support the channel.